Hello, so in this question we have to find the coefficient of x to the power 3, the expansion of bracket 4x to the power 3 plus 1 over 2x close bracket to the power 5. So as we know, we could just use binomial theorem to expand the whole thing and then pull out the coefficient of x cubed, but that takes a lot of time and that might be a little bit tedious, so I'm gonna be doing the shortcut of that. So we know that since we have to the power 5, that's our top term here, and that starts as 0. So what this means is that we're going to be ignoring the coefficient for this, by the way, at the moment, but we will apply this to the power 5 to this first term 5 times, and then to this term 0 times. So that would be 0, because anything to the power 0 is 1. So that would be, we would be left with x to the power 15. Okay, now we can try 5, 1. Okay, so we would apply the power to this first term 4 times, and this term once. And 1 over 2x is the same thing as x to the minus 1 over 2. I'll write that down, x to the minus 1 over 2. So what we could do is we could just apply that. So that would be x to the power of 12 minus 1, x to the power of 11. And this decrease of x to the power of 4 each time, that's a pattern that applies each time. So we know that x to the power of, 5, 2 would be x to the 7, and 5, 3 would be x to the 3. This is what we're looking for. Okay, so now we know what to look for. So let's apply that. I don't have a calculator, so let's just use Pascal's triangle. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. So this is the first row, second row, third row. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. That's the fourth row. Just one more to go. So this is the fifth row. I can't write down a 5, but that's okay. 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So these are the coefficients. And we're on the third one, so 1, 2, 3. This is the coefficient we're applying, 10. Now we're doing 4x cubed to the power of 3. And then after that, I believe we have to multiply by 1 over 2x to the power of 2. That should all add up, I believe. Oh, sorry, I did the wrong one. Sorry. To the power of 2. This should be to the power of 3. There we go. Now that will end up as 6, and 6 minus 3. Okay. So now we're going to have to solve for the coefficient. So first I'm just going to express that as a half x to the negative 1. Okay, so now we have 10. Now we have times 16 x to the, and then, I'll just do this, times x to the 6, and then times an 8th, and times x to the negative 3. Okay, now we have 160, and then an 1/8 of 160, I believe, is 20. That should be right. I hope. Well, okay. And then that's x to the 3. So the coefficient is 20. So there we go. That's our answer. Thank you.